Hey y'all, Charles here from AllCoastLawncare. Hey, just a real quick video of how I mow ditches. First, sorry about that big weed in the middle, okay? I should have cut it down. Hey, but first and foremost, never go forward into a ditch because you're gonna get stuck, all right? If you go forward into a ditch, all right? You always want to back down into a ditch going reverse, okay? Because if not, you're gonna get stuck, and then you're gonna hate life, and you're gonna have to try to get out. See that's what happened to me, y'all. I had to call a friend. He brought his truck. I had a tow strap in my truck, and I was able to get out all right. Anyway, y'all, so here I am. Okay, I'm backing down into a ditch, setting myself up so I could turn right, but not too right, because if I go right a lot, then I'm gonna go forward into that ditch. Okay, but I'm able to go right just enough so now I could go forward. Okay, I'm making one pass. I'm only doing one pass because that ditch is very wet, y'all, okay? So I'm just going to string trim the rest of the ditch. Hey, when in doubt, if you don't think your zero turn or your riding mower could do it, hey, just string trim the whole thing, y'all. But hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Remember, never go forward into a ditch. When in doubt, just string trim the whole ditch. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. God bless. See you on the next video.